My name is Theron LaFountain, and this is Chris from All My Sons. Thank you for your consideration.
They weren't just men. This one time, it had been raining for several days, and this kid came up to me, gave me his last pair of dry socks, put them in my pocket. That's the kind of guys I had. They didn't die. They killed themselves for each other. I mean that exactly. A little more selfishness and they'd have been here today. I got this idea. Watching them go down. Everything was being destroyed, see? But to me, it seemed like one new thing was being created. A kind of responsibility. A man for a man. To show that, to bring that onto the earth again. Like a kind of a monument. And he could feel it standing there behind him. And then I got home. And the whole thing was a kind of a bus accident. There was no meaning in it here. I went to work with Dad again in that rat race. And nothing had changed. It seemed to make suckers out of a lot of guys. And I felt ashamed somehow. Ashamed to drive that new car. To see that new refrigerator. You could take a lot of things out of a war. But if you don't realize, they came out of the love that a man can have for a man. If you're not just a little bit changed because of that, then all you have is loot, and there is blood on it. I didn't want a part of any of it. I guess that included you.